Today I'm going to look at how HS2, Britain's ongoing high-speed rail project, is entering Birmingham. This is the chosen route. A spur branches from the main line at Coleshill and heads along the existing Birmingham to Derby railway, and here is Castle Bromwich. You may have been through here. This is a jam-packed, busy place. You've got the M6 heading to Spaghetti Junction and onwards northwest, over the top of the River Tame, alongside and on top of the existing railway line, and all in between major factories, retail parks, national grid power lines, other roads and housing. Threading a new high-speed railway line through here will be tricky. That's why HS2 is tunnelling underneath. This is the east portal of the Bromford Tunnel, in between the M6 and Water Orton. The tunnel was meant to start a few miles further in with this part on viaduct. To reduce demolitions and disruption, it was decided to extend the tunnel to a length of 3.5 miles, or 5.7 kilometres. The other end of the tunnel is here at Washwood Heath, just beyond Bromford Lane. The plan is for one tunnel boring machine to dig one way and then the other, creating two bores. There are rumours they may bring in another TBM from one of the other HS2 tunnels, with this one having been extended. The tunnel extension has saved this weird waste depot, visible from the M6. If anyone knows what the big ramp is for, please let me know in the comments. At Washwood Heath, the former Metro Camel train factory and LDV van factory have been demolished and will become a train maintenance depot. HS2 follows the existing Birmingham to Derby line here. After passing the former gas holders and the Smurfit paper mill with its plumes of steam, HS2 rises onto viaduct here, in front of the West Midlands Signalling Centre, crossing the existing railway and cutting across the back of the Freightliner container depot. Then it crosses another existing rail line, itself on viaduct. This is part of the Cross City Line and the original Grand Junction Railway from 1838, one of the earliest railways in the world. Here will be Curzon Street Station in Birmingham city centre, on the site of the first station in the city, where the Grand Junction Railway to Liverpool and Manchester met the London to Birmingham Railway. Curzon Street Station was due to open by 2026, but this now looks very unlikely. Current estimates have opening around 2030 or later. HS2, as well as other pieces of infrastructure, will be looked at in future videos, so if you like this one, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing, which will encourage me to make more. I'm Martina and thank you for looking at things with me.